What the Oh hey, welcome back to the Moneybeard channel. I'm Rob Anderson, founder of Moneybeard, lifelong entrepreneur now teaching you how to make more money and watch it grow. Wow, did I get an email this morning. Definitely the most unique scam attempt I've seen come through in quite a while. Because this is the first one I can remember where me getting naked was part of the deal. Flattered, by the way. Thank you. We're going to get into exactly what this is and how this scam works, but this got me thinking about job scams in general. With the job market in the toilet right now and like 20 million people out of work, more people than ever are looking for new ways to make money from home. In fact, Google Trends shows that the search term work from home spiked recently when stay-at-home orders started going into effect and people started losing their jobs. In fact, some of my recent videos about making extra money from home are now some of my most highly viewed videos on this channel. Go watch those if you haven't already, by the way. With so many people desperate to make extra money, scammers know it's the perfect time to run fake job scams on those desperate people. And they also know that self-employed independent contractors will be easier to lure in with compelling job offers that are, again, fake. And boy, is this a compelling job offer. Let me just read you the email I received and you tell me what you think. Seriously, drop it in the comments below. Just for the fact that I am sharing this insane scam with you, go ahead and give me an Ultimate Warrior splash on the like button and the subscribe button, by the way, so you never miss a new video on how to make more money. All right, so here's the email. Good morning, Rob, and salutations to you, sir. Blah, blah, blah. In short, I am currently reorganizing my friend's nudist wedding. Well, nothing out of the ordinary here so far. It was originally due to take place on June 27th, but that's obviously not viable anymore. Nevertheless, all of the entertainment we booked for June is unavailable, so I'm looking around online for replacements. Now, for those who don't know, I am self-employed as a magician. I run a couple of businesses, but I am mostly known as a magician. I'm really more in the high-end corporate market rather than weddings, but I do run a marriage proposal planning company, so maybe that's how they found me. I don't know. In any case, let's move on here. The couple would like a fun magician to entertain the crowd. They've requested that the magician wears as little as possible with the suggestion that just a jacket might be fun. This is a real email. What are your thoughts? I have several. Might you be interested? Oh, might I? But probably not. Wait until you see where this goes. If you are agreeable to the context, a nudist wedding, and the dress code, naked or wearing a jacket, why wouldn't I be? And we can agree on a ballpark fee, I suggest we schedule a Zoom call, preferably nude, so that I can get a feel for you. Oh boy, now it's getting interesting. So to be clear, this person who I don't know from Adam is trying to schedule a nude Zoom call with me in order to get a feel for me. But wait, there's more. I would usually and previously propose that we meet face to face for this, but that is not safe right now, or ever really. It's really never safe to meet a stranger naked from the internet, but I'm glad that he agrees. I can't always go on cam or mic myself. I am a single dad, and I currently have my children with me 24/7 due to the current situation. What? So this guy can't get naked himself because his children are in the room, and that would just be irresponsible. But he clearly has no problem getting a screen full of dong in his face from a random magician he contacted on the internet. Thanks for your time. I really hope you're interested. Stay safe. I will, by keeping away from you. Richard. Rich, he couldn't have picked a better name for this. If this guy's reaching out to magicians for a nudist wedding, I hope he reached out to my buddy, Peter Wood. It's a real guy, by the way. Great magician, actually. Book him in the Maryland area. Not for naked stuff. That's weird. Black tie events in Maryland, though. Yeah, he's your guy. Okay, so here's what I'm pretty sure is going on with this scam. I think that this is a nude photo extortion scam. If I were to get on a Zoom call naked with this person, and I cannot believe I'm talking about this right now, they would record the call and then have naked images and video of me, which they would then use via another email account to say, hey, we have these naked, embarrassing pictures of you, and it would be a shame if they leaked out to your friends and family and business associates. Pay us X amount of dollars unless you want these photos sent to everyone you know. This is a known scam that I've seen in the news before, but this is the first time I've seen it attempted against a magician under the guise of performing at a nudist wedding. Bravo. All right, let's write a response to this. Dear Richard, thank you for the email. I would welcome the opportunity to perform naked at your friend's wedding. My only concern is that I have an abnormally large penis, which may distract from the festivities. Therefore, I must decline. I'm just kidding. Don't respond to these people. Look, there's a lot of scams out there you probably didn't know about yet. Did you ever think this would be a scam? Let me fill you in on some of the other fake job and work from home scams there are so you don't become a victim. I'm going to assume you already know that anything that involves someone sending you a check and then you sending money back to them is a scam. So let's just breeze past that and talk about the other two major end goals of fake job scams. And that's to get your money or to get your personal information, such as your bank account or social security number, etc. Now, any self-respecting con artist isn't just gonna come out and tell you to send them any of that without good reason, so here are a few of the common ploys they'll use in order to get you to hand that over. First is the generic get-rich-quick scheme you see a lot online. And I'm not talking about people selling a marketing course or teaching Amazon FBA or anything like that. I'm talking about the websites that make claims of extremely high incomes while being extremely vague about what it is the job involves. Starter pack for a get-rich-quick scheme would involve stock images of mansions and yachts, a URL like getrichwithcoachrightnow.com, and a headline that says, "I went from minimum wage to $50,000 a week, suckers," and no further details about how. Basically, they're going to sell you an extremely expensive information packet on how to set up your own website that looks exactly like theirs, and you're going to sell information packets and you get the rest because the whole thing's a scam. Boom, they've got your money, that's it. Then there are the undisclosed government job scams, where you're enticed with the offer of a high-paying, no experience necessary government job that you can do from home. These jobs are supposedly so secretive and not disclosed to the general public that you're asked to send payment for this insider information, after which you get, you guessed it, nothing, because government jobs available to the public are posted publicly. Another one, and here's a good one, is the trial employment scam, where you're told that you are one of a few people selected for a short trial period of a job that you've applied for. You're sent the contract for the job that requires you to fill out fields with personal information, including your social security number, amongst other things. After which, you may even be sent some simple work to complete as part of your trial period as to not raise your suspicions, but then, surprise! You didn't make it past the trial period because there was no job and they now have all your information. Have you heard of the pre-interview direct deposit scam? Now you have, and it's exactly what it sounds like, but it's slick. You're offered a job via email and told that all payments are done via direct deposit. Then you're instructed to fill out some standard direct deposit paperwork with your banking information before they conduct an interview, which is more or less going to be a formality, you're told. It's important that you fill this paperwork out before the interview, though, as your first paycheck is going to be processed directly afterward. No, it's not. It's a scam. And I've got to put the pay to train scam in here. That's one people fall for. Anytime a job is dangled in front of you, and then after being told you'll be making way more money than you're expecting, you're also told you need to pay for some sort of training. You guessed it. Scam. Once they've got your money, there is no training and you'll never be hearing from them again. And please never fall for the at-home assembly scam. In this, you're told you'll be paid to assemble products at home and then send them back, except you find out that you have to pay a small upfront fee for the items you'll be assembling. What? The common themes here are that scammers will dangle an opportunity in front of you that often seems way too good to be true, and then they'll request money or sensitive information from you. That's the thing to look out for. The most important thing to remember to ensure that you don't get scammed is that you don't pay someone for a job opportunity or training or whatever, and you don't give out personal sensitive information, and especially never get naked in front of a webcam as part of a job interview. The more you know. I make new videos each week to help you make more money, so make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on those new videos. Check out some of my other videos on legitimate side jobs you can do from home. Look in the description, and I'll see you back here soon. Thanks for watching.